KSET 2025 registration begins now. Apply online. Greenwood High hosts GWHMUN 2025, championing empathy and global leadership. Greenwood High shines at CISCE Sports Tournament. Cricket team wins regionals, athletes bagged 7 medals. Gurugram schools shift to online classes amid heavy rains and waterlogging. DDMA issues orange alert. NCERT must build competence, foster clarity in Indian languages, says Dharmendra Pradhan on Foundation Day. Supreme Court upholds Telangana's domicile rule for state quota in medical admissions. Hello everyone, welcome to the Education News Network. I am Pallavi Kulkarni and today's top news are: the Karnataka Examinations Authority KEA has opened registration for the Karnataka State Eligibility Test KSET 2025 at the CET online website, closing on September 18. The exam is essential for candidates seeking lectureship roles in Karnataka's higher education institutions. The application fees is Rs 1000 for general, IIA, IIB, IIIB and other state categories, and Rs 700 for SC, ST, PWD category 1 and transgender candidates. Payable online. The syllabus is now available. Hall tickets will be released on October 24 and the exam will be held on November 2. Applications must fill out the form, upload documents and pay online. KEA urges timely applications and offers portal-based support. KSET remains a key academic gateway, with analysis emphasizing through preparation and strict adherence to the deadlines. Greenwood High International Campus, Sarjapur, hosted the landmark Greenwood High Model United Nations 2025 from August 28 to 30, centered onto the theme Empathy in Changing the World. The 3-day conference saw over 577 delegates from 50 schools engaging in diplomacy across 7 committees, representing more than 150 nations. Delegates debated pressing global issues, emphasizing dialogue, empathy and conscious building. Ambassador T.S. Tirumurthy, former permanent representative of India to the UN, inspired students with a keynote stressing compassion and inclusivity in global affairs. Participants praised the event's intellectual depth and collaborative spirit. Organized by Greenwood Student Secretariat and faculty, GWHMUN 2025 was hailed as a transformative platform fostering leadership, learning and global citizenship, setting a high benchmark for school-level MUNs in the region. Greenwood High students excelled at CISCE Regional Sports Tournament in August 2025. The Under-19 boys cricket team showcased stellar teamwork and emerged winners, earning a spot at Nationals in Punjab. In athletics, Greenwood athletes delivered a remarkable performance at CISCE Athlete Zone Tournament on August 17, clinching 17 medals, 7 gold, 6 silver and 4 bronze. Standout achievers include Sinchal Nayak with triple gold, Purvika Avinash with a medal in each category and Meghna with top finishes in javelin, discus and shot put. Swarna and Sara Chowdhury, Surya Shankar and others also contributed significantly. The school applauds the dedication, grit and sportsmanship of the team, who continues to uphold the Greenwood spirit of excellence in sports. Following over 100 mm of rainfall and severe waterlogging, Gurugram schools switched to online classes on September 2, 2025 as per a District Disaster Management Authority advisory. Corporate offices were also urged to implement work-from-home measures. The city faced a major disruptions, especially on NH 48 and Rajiv Chowk, with prolonged traffic snarls and flooded roads. Officials included the Gurugram Police Commissioner and Deputy Commissioner conducted a late-night inspections to oversee relief efforts. Delhi Metro's Blue Line also reported disruptions. Authorities continue to monitor the situation and advise residents to stay home and follow safety protocols. On NCERT's 65th Foundation Day, Union Minister Dharmendra Pradhan emphasized its role in nation building, urging it to adapt global best practices while strengthening learning rooted in Indian languages. He stated that while English proficiency is important, true clarity in understanding comes through native tongues. He lauded new NCERT models like Operation Sindoor and Partition Horror Remembrance Day. Former ISRO chairman S. Somnath also was present, credited NCERT books for shaping his career but noted gaps in representing India's scientific heritage. He stressed the need for textbook in Indian languages to better reflect the nation's achievements and enhance learning. The Supreme Court has upheld Telangana's domicile rule requiring students to have studied the last 4 years up to class 12 within the state to be eligible for admission under the state quota in medical and dental colleges. A bench led by Chief Justice B.R. Gawai overturned a Telangana High Court ruling that favored permanent residents living outside the state. The apex court ruling supports the amendment of 2017 admission rule updated in 2024, reinforcing the state's right to prioritize local students for MBBS and BDS states. The verdict reserved on August 5th came in response to appeal by the state, represented by senior advocate Abhishek Singhvi and lawyer Shravan Kumar Karnam. A detailed judgment is awaited following the ruling.